Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel with the new lecture. Guys, today is the very important topic, that's about lapping length. Many students, they are confused. Where is the correct place to provide lapping length, NRCC slab or N beam, etc. Okay, the topic is where is the correct place for lapping length or to provide lapping length. So I have the reference IS 13920 2003. So from this reference our clause 6.26. With this reference I will give you information where is the correct place for lapping length or where we can provide lapping length. Where is the correct place? This is the topic for today. If this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel with press bell icon if you are new. So guys, where is the place to provide lapping length? As you can see guys, this is column. This is also other column. So these are supports. And this is beam. RCC beam. So where is the place for lapping length? So this is lapping length. This is called lapping length. Okay, so where is the correct place? Midpoint or at the end of the support or this place or this one or this one. So which one is the correct place to provide lapping length? Okay, so guys, I will tell you first of all this is guys midpoint and bending moment is maximum at the mid, right? And bending moment is 0. Here is bending moment is 0 at the end of the support. Here and here bending moment is 0 and bending moment is maximum at the mid. As you can see, this is bending positive or more at the mid and minimum at the end of the support. So where is the correct place to provide lapping length? Okay, first of all I will tell you guys, lapping length should be not provide at the end of the support. That's why, because here is not any bending moment, but here is shear stresses. Their bending moment is 0 here, but here is shear stresses. So lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support. So you are not able to use here lapping length. Also you are not able to use lapping length here. So where we can place lapping length, right? As you can see guys, this is column, beam. So we will take here effective depth, not overall depth, effective depth. For example, if the effective depth of the beam is if this is 400 millimeter, for example, if this is 400 millimeter, so from the reference of IS 13920 2003 and clause number 6.2.0, they said lapping length should be placed after the distance of 2D. Okay, it should be placed after 2D. So D is effective depth of beam. So here guys, you can see effective depth is 400 millimeters multiply 2. Okay, so 400 multiply 2, so it become 800 millimeters. So this is 800 millimeters. So after this point, after this, we will provide lapping length. Also we will not provide at the distance of 800 millimeters, 800 millimeters. But after this distance, after 800 millimeters, we can provide lapping length, but not at the mid, because bending moment is maximum at the mid and minimum are 0 at the end of the supports. Okay, because there is shear stresses. Okay, so here guys you can see, so where is the correct place? So this we can take L by 4. Okay, so L by 4, for example, so L by 4, this one, and L by 4, this one, L by 4, this is also L by 4, and this is also L by 4. Okay, yes, L by 4, it's okay. This is L by 4, this is also L by 4, L by 4 and L by 4. Okay, so we can get, also there is bent up bar are crossing for steel bars. Okay, so guys you can see, for example, if the length of the beam is 6 meters. Okay, so where we can provide lapping length. Okay, so here guys, after this mid 750 millimeters, and here also, so this is 750 millimeters, 750 millimeters, and also 750 millimeters. Okay, so guys, this will be provide plus 750 millimeters, it become 1550 millimeters. Okay, means 1.55 meters. So after 1.55 meters we are able to provide lapping length. For example, here we can provide lapping length, and also here we can provide lapping length. Okay, sorry, at this point, yes, at this point we can provide, but after 800 millimeters from this side and also from this side, after 800 millimeters we are able to provide lapping length, but we will add 750 millimeters from the mid, from this side. Okay, and also from this side, between 850 millimeters from this side and 750 millimeters from the mid, also from the mid 750 millimeters, and the end of the support after the distance of 800 millimeters we can provide lapping length. So this is the correct place where we can provide lapping length. Right? Now guys, here is also one question. Sometimes we say our IS 13920/2003 in the clause of 6.26, they said lapping length should not be more than 50%. Okay, so here guys there is one other question. For example, this is slab. Okay, so here is lapping length, also here is lapping length, here is lapping length. Okay guys, they said from this lapping center and this lapping, the distance should not be less than 1.3. 1.3. Okay, so it should not be less than 1.3 meter. So this should be space. For example, if this is 1 meter, so the space should be 1.3 meter. Because lapping length should not be provided at the same point for different diameters. So therefore, clause number 6.260 IS 13920/2003, they said lapping length should, from one lapping to other lapping, the center distance should not be less than 1.3, but it should be more than, or it should be 1.3 meter. So guys, this is the topic where is the correct place for lapping length with the reference of IS code. So guys, there is also one other question about beam. Okay, the stirrup spacing should be should not be more than 150 millimeters. This is also in IS 13920 in the clause of this one. Okay, the stirrup spacing should not be less than 150 millimeters. So guys, this is the very important topic in which you learned where is the correct place for lapping length. As you can see, I told you here after 2D formula. Okay, if the effective depth is more than, then we will multiply, because effective depth is here 400 millimeters, so therefore 400 millimeter multiply 2, then we got 800 millimeters. So after 800 millimeters we will place lapping length. Okay, lapping length should not be provided at the mid, because bending moment is maximum at the mid, and lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support, because there is shear stresses. Okay, so therefore after 800 or after 2D, the place of after 2D distance, we are able to provide lapping length. So guys, this is the topic which I have discussed the front of you. If you have any question related with this topic, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.